Hi guys, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, don't forget to subscribe so you can get our weekly updates. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about our photo mural. And what we have here today is the photo mural. We're going to cut out the faces. Now we've looked at several of these throughout the country. Last weekend we were in Murfreesboro, Arkansas, saw some, and then the heads are just entirely too big, too cut out. And you can get to, not only have your whole head through, but part of your shoulders. This is too big for what we liked. The Nifty Nut House here in Wichita has a very nice one, and it's about the size of your hand. We're going to do a little bit bigger than that, but all you really need to do this hole is you need a drill. Your drill bit always wants to be bigger than your jigsaw blade, so we're using a jigsaw blade to cut around. We can always expand and always get a bigger hole. Can't always go smaller. So we're going to start out just cutting a decent hole. I've already got it marked, and we're going to do that. I thought you guys might want to see how we're doing it. So stay tuned, and I'll fast forward through all this.
It's that time. Christmas time is here. Everybody knows there's not a better time of year. Hear that sleigh. Santa's on his way. He'll kick parade for Christmas vacation. Got a ton of stuff to celebrate.
Okay, so now I have all three of them cut out. You can tell they're just a little bit smaller than the width of my hand. I think that's actually going to be too small. I hope not, but it probably is. So I'm going to sand them down right now. No sense in me putting my face in there to test it out and getting splinters in my chin. That'd be silly. So I'm going to sand it out real quick and then we'll test it out. So I'll fast forward to that part as well. Okay, so we've ran into a couple of issues I did not anticipate. Cutting the circles out, that's fine. That went decently as expected. What I did not plan for though, and what did I not even think could be a possibility, is naively when I went in here, you can see there's some simple imperfections in there. They're gonna have to be filled. If I can get the light on there correctly so you can kind of see it. Anyway, it goes inside there. And those are gonna absolutely have to be fixed. I have to fill these holes before I get sit out in the winter all season. So I'm going to have to get some wood filler and fill those holes up. So that's going to set us back another 2 days because it's going to have to dry and be sanded. So that's going to set us back a little while. So didn't anticipate that. Everything else came out fine. So that's about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.